Okay, I'm in the functions.php page and I have one function here called view three fields. I put a little comment up on top just giving the names of those because I'm going to have a lot of functions here and I need to take and keep that list going. First thing I'm going to do is copy the whole function and paste it. But I want to point out you cannot have two functions with the exact same name, view three fields. That would be a problem. You'd end up with the white screen of death. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to change the first one to be view two fields. And I'm going to get rid of $F3. That's what's needed in view three fields, but it's not needed in view two fields. That's the first parameter to go. But I also have F3 here on the SQL statement, and I have a field 3 in the bind result, and I have an F3 in the table header, and I have a field 3 in the table data. So those have to go. So I eliminate all those. And I add a view two fields up on the top for my my comment, just so I have it keeping track in order that I can see that I have view two fields, view three fields. So I've got that all set. Now, I'm also going to create a function called homepage, and that is going to contain some HTML code. A BR just gives me a line break, and then an A is an anchor. In other words, it's a hyperlink. href to index.php, and the words homepage will appear on the screen. It ends with a /A. So if you haven't taken the website development course, you may not know that, but that's what a link is. And today's date, it happens that FJY is the way of putting the month written out, the day without a leading 0 if it's below 10, and a 4-digit year. So we're just going to echo today's date on that. So two other functions that we've added. So now our functions.php page contains 4 different functions. From that, I'm going to create a page called fmtowns.php, and it's very simple. It's not that different from the students page because it includes the connect statement that I need. It includes the extra functions page, and I connect it. I put today's date, and then instead of view 3 fields, I have a view 2 fields where it's FM Towns, Town, and County, and homepage will just give me a link back to the index page, which at this moment I don't have. So let me create an index page. It's inside the 160 folder. I've still got the I've commented out the include connect right here because I don't actually use it. That doesn't mean I won't want to use it at some point, but for the moment I've commented that out. So I include the extra functions because I want to include today's date, and I have just 2 simple echo statements that are both going to echo the links to the 2 pages we do have, students.php and fmtowns.php.